Close both the tube. Once the job is done, close both the tube. Now show me both the tubes. This clear liquid shifting is perfect to explain what happening inside the tubes. Two layer is separated. Top layer containing DNA, middle one is impurities, bottom one is containing the protein precipitation solution. Okay, so everyone, so their tubes clear like this. फाइनल पाइपेट्स रख दीजिए आप लोग, सेकंड शिफ्ट में करिए पाइपेट. थोड़ा गड़बड़ हुआ तो धुला सा नहीं दिख रहा आपको, क्लियर होना चाहिए. ठीक है बेटे, परफेक्टली डन. Everyone grind your sample. Everyone prepare one tube with plant sample. One tube for everyone, individual. Okay, only the grinding part was in the sharing. So everyone take one. पाइपेट से नहीं फिल करेंगे, पाइपेट के आगे टिप लगता है, डायरेक्ट वो लिक्विड में नहीं जाएगा. पाइपेट के आगे टिप लगता है. एवरीबॉडी फिल अप टू हाफ इन योर ट्यूब, हाफ फॉर प्रोटीन प्रेसिपिटेशन सॉल्यूशन. क्लोज करिए और फिर ऐसे दिखाइए. गुड. ठीक है, सभी का भर गया. Fill it up to half. Little more. Sew it like this. Perfect. Sample Y should have half is left for the protein precipitation. This is the DNA isolation buffer solution, help in DNA and cell lysis. Cell once the broken down, chromosome is exposed, that protein precipitation is added up to half in the tube. And you mix it, the protein get precipitated. So half tube you have to left always for the next solution. Okay? Half is a plant and buffer, both. So the ratio is 1:9:10. Means 1 gram if you take the sample, then 9 ml, 10 ml you take the buffer. If you take 100 mg sample, then 800, 900 microliter buffer solution. Means it will be 1000 microliter total. There are two type of the tubes. Maybe 2 ml tubes or 1.5 ml tubes. In both the tubes you have to fill half. Understand? So always try to, in every experiment, you doing the plant DNA, blood DNA, hair DNA, saliva DNA, you have to fill only half of the tube. Half will left for the protein precipitation solution. So next solution what will be? Protein precipitation. Next solution will be what? Protein precipitation. First solution is DNA isolation buffer solution. First solution is DNA isolation buffer solution. It contains trace EDTA, NaCl, C-type or SDS, and prepared in double distilled sterile water. Clear? This is